And we have 20 minutes left. Punch, buddy, don't punch. Honks you'll ever get from a semi-truck. We have 38 honks, and we have 18 minutes left. No, 40 honks! He shook his head at me.
Denied.
Comes Big Juicy. Jalapenos. One. Okay, so we have 11 and 20 minutes left. That was pretty close. Maybe next time we will end up doing like 70 or 80 honks in like 30 minutes or something. Something a little more challenging where we might end up eating jalapenos. But before you leave, make sure to go to sites.google.com/view/the iDad Show. Check out our website and we'll see you in the next video.